Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Awad here. So today is Sunday and we are gonna try another cafe again. So yeah, here's my simple outfit of the day. See ya! So that is the cafe that we're gonna go to. It's Fleur Cafe. They also have one in Al Shahid Park, but this one is in Chaldea area. Hey guys, so we are here in the Avenue Mall because we're gonna go to H&M because I'm gonna do a little alteration for my new trousers, which I bought in H&M Salmia, but then they only do alterations here in the Avenue Mall. And also we need to go to Ikea because we're gonna buy a few things. Okay, so these mugs are only 300 fills, so we're gonna take 3. How much is that? 900 fills? Okay, take one. Take one, love, for our fruits. Buy this one, love, for your karak. How much is that? 5 KD? Okay. Take one, love. That's only 1.500 fills. So let's buy hangers. Take 2 pieces. It's only 500 fills anyway. Thank you. Sorry, love. Choose white. How much is that? 400 feels, right? Go to the counter. Hey guys, we're back in the car, and unfortunately I was not able to make alterations in H&M because they are unavailable right now because of, you know, what's going on. Anyway, we're just gonna look for other places who can do alterations for my trousers. Okay, so right now we are on the road and we are heading to Salmiya because we're gonna buy shawarma. There's this one shawarma place that we really love because they're really good. I mean, the shawarmas are really delicious, and of all the shawarmas that we've tried here, that one is the best. All right, and also we're gonna go to M&S because there are some things that my husband need to return. Okay, so we're here in Salmiya area. We're already here. The name of the place is Arabi. Alright, and this is just outside Marina Mall. Okay, so here's our shawarma. Alright, so you should check them out. They're really good, I swear. And this is only 900 fils. Can you imagine that? And it's so good. M&S, and we actually parked very far because there's no space already. Anyway, we're gonna go now inside, and we're bringing the things that we need to return. Hey guys, we're back in the car and we were able to return the things that my husband didn't like. Alright, he actually ordered online, and if ever you guys also want to return something from M&S and you order them online as well, all you just have to do is to go to any M&S branch here in Kuwait, and your money will be, you will get your money back after 21 days. It will be returned in your account. Alright guys, so right now we are on our way home now, and yeah, I really had a great time today. Our day was really productive, and yeah, I forgot to talk to you about Fleur Cafe. I saw that cafe first on Instagram, and then I told my husband we should try that. Thank God we went there today. I really like the cafe. It's, you know, it's so pretty, it's very Instagrammable, and you know, it's winter. We sat outside, and you know, the weather's just so perfect to have coffee outdoors, and yeah, you should try that guys. It's in Chaldea. All right, and what else I need to say? Yeah, don't forget the honey cake. It was so good. It was so creamy. It was so, I don't know, it's really good. You should try it. And I had rose latte. Rose latte? Did I have rose latte, Baba? Rose cafe latte. Is it rose cafe latte? Alright, so I had rose latte. My husband had pumpkin spice latte, and he said it was just okay, but mine, I really like it. I ordered hot hot roast latte. And all in all, we paid 5,900 fils. Alright guys, and we're near home now, and I'm gonna end my vlog here. So next week it will be Christmas already. And guys, stay safe. And please don't forget to remember the real reason for the season. It's Jesus Christ. It's His birthday. So let's not forget to pray or go to church and hear Mass. Alright guys, and I'm gonna end my vlog here, and I do hope you enjoyed. If you do, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. See you again in my next one. Bye!